In the dim glow of a Montreal apartment on a cold December morning in 1996, a 51-year-old journalist named Serge Monast collapses. His heart gives out suddenly, the official report states, ending a life spent chasing shadows in the corridors of power. Papers scatter across his desk, notes on hidden agendas, typed pages warning of a grand deception unfolding from the skies. Monast had started as a poet and essayist in the 1970s, his words flowing through Quebec's quiet literary scenes. By the early 1990s, his path shifted. He founded his own press agency, Presse Libre Nord-Américaine, after mainstream outlets turned away his investigations. The air in those years hummed with post-Cold War unease, nations realigning, technologies advancing unseen. Monast's gaze fixed on NASA and the United Nations, organizations he saw as architects of something vast. In 1994, he releases a booklet titled Project Bluebeam, NASA. It's a slim volume, printed on simple stock, detailing what he claims is a four-phase operation. First, engineered earthquakes unearth fabricated archaeological finds, quietly undermining ancient faiths. Then, holographic spectacles light up the heavens, projections of divine figures tailored to each culture's beliefs, merging into a unified illusion. Low-frequency waves follow, simulating telepathic voices in minds worldwide. Finally, a staged extraterrestrial threat or savior descends, coaxing humanity towards a single global order. The streets of Montreal, with their gray winters and bustling cafes, offered no visible signs of such machinations. Yet Monast's words spread through underground networks, copied on cassettes and shared in hushed gatherings. He draws parallels to older texts like the infamous Protocols of the Elders of Zion, adapting their structure in his 1995 work Les Protocoles de Toronto 6.6.6. Here, he describes a secretive Masonic group convening for 2 decades to orchestrate mind control and a New Age religion with the Antichrist at its helm. Monast's life unravels amid these revelations. Accusations of minor crimes dog him, fines, brief detentions, whispers of harassment from authorities he accused. His followers see foul play in his death, a silencing too convenient. But medical records list a heart attack, nothing more. No autopsies or inquiries follow, the case closing as quietly as a door in the night. Decades pass and the theory lingers, resurfacing with each unexplained sight in the sky. In 2024, drone swarms over New Jersey spark online murmurs linking them to Bluebeam's holograms. Influencers like Alex Jones amplify it, tying it to current fears of elite control. Technologies evolve, holographic displays at concerts, AI voices in our ears, making Monast's warnings feel eerily prescient to some. Yet skeptics point to the absences: no leaked documents from NASA, no seismic patterns matching his predictions, no unified global push as described. Experts in psychology note how such theories thrive on human patterns, the need to connect dots in chaos, the comfort in blaming distant powers for personal uncertainties. Where believers see orchestrated deception, analysts see reflection of societal anxieties amplified by isolation and rapid change. Monast's manuscripts, now digitized and debated on forums, reveal a man driven by conviction, his prose urgent yet methodical. He wasn't the first to fear hidden hands reshaping the world, nor the last. His words echo in quiet corners, where faith in institutions frays. What lingers, perhaps, is how one voice can cast long shadows over the unseen.